Good morning, children. Today I want to give you some reminders from the homework what you had given me. So from there I want to give some correction. In divisibility test, suppose if there was a number 3650, you have to write whether it is divisible by 5. Whether it is divisible by 5. So just some of you have written only S. Only S you have written. Okay, you must show how it is done. In your book also it is not given just yes. They have shown how it is divisible. Okay, so that way you can look at the book also how in the example they have given. Okay, so here in ones place what you have to write, in ones place 0 is there. Ones place 0 is there, so it is divisible by 5. Okay, that way you have to write. In ones place 0 is there, so it is divisible by 5. Suppose if there is a number 463, you have to check whether it is divisible by 2. Here in ones place 3 is there. It is an odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. That way you have to write. Just write in one sentence. Okay, don't write yes and no. Again, if the number is, you have to find whether it is divisible by 3. Okay, so here what you have to do, you have to find the sum of the digits. So you have to write sum of the digits. Sum of the digits equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. So you have to write sum of the digits is divisible by 2, divisible by 3. So the number is divisible by 3. That way you have to write. Sum of the digit is divisible by 3, so the number is divisible by 3. So if my answer is long enough, then in your book it is given short. You can look and write that way. So you must know how to present the answer, not just writing only the answer yes and no. It is not you are writing objective question type. You are going to get the marks. Okay, so for that you have to do all the steps. If there is needed, calculation is needed, you have to do the calculation, not like objective question only the answer, or just writing yes or no. That way don't answer it. Okay, again next one, in 6.1 also there was a doubt they had asked, so I will explain that one. In 6.1 fourth sum, they have given tick the correct factors and cross the wrong one. They have given like that, and they have given a box here. This box is without sense they have given. This is not necessary. Okay, don't bother about the box. So here you have to tick which are the factors and which is not a factor, just you cross it. So now 1 is the factor of all the numbers, so you can tick it. Again 2, this 20 is a even number, so surely it is a factor of 20. Factor of 20. Okay, next one, you have to check whether it is divisible by 3. Now 2 plus 0, 2 plus 0, 2, but 2 is not divisible by 3. So 3 cannot be the factor of 20. Again 4. 20 comes in 4 table. 5 4s are 20. 4 5s are 20. So it is divisible. So this is a factor. Again 5 4s are 20. So 20 comes in 5 table. So this is a factor. Again 6. In 6 table 20 doesn't come. Okay, otherwise 6 is what? 2 3s are 6. 2 into 3, 6. So if it is a factor, 2 and 3 is a factor, I mean 6 also is a factor. But 2 is a factor, 3 is not a factor, so 6 cannot be a factor. Again 7. 7 is an odd number, so you have to find out from the table only. But 20 doesn't come in 7 tables, so 7 is not a factor. Again 8. 2 4s are 8. Sorry. Okay, as you had taken for, I told for 2 3s are 6 I told, but you cannot take 2 4s are 8. Okay, why means you will learn afterwards prime number and composite number. Here this 2 and 3 is a prime number. Okay, you will learn afterwards what is a prime number, but 4 is not a prime number. 2 is a prime number, 4 is not a prime number. So when you take it in multiplication, you have to take only the prime numbers. Okay, but I thought I was just came without thinking, I told 2 4s are, because 2 and 4 is a factor, so 8 can be a factor I about to say, but we cannot take it because 4 is not a prime number. We can take only the prime numbers in multiplication way. Okay, so in 8 table 20 doesn't come, so 20 is not a factor. Again 9. So for 9, same thing, sum of the digit only you have to find, like 3 we have found. So 2 plus 0, 2 will not be divisible by 9, so 9 cannot be the factor of 20. Again 10. So 10 if it is divisible by 10, so that there it will end in 0. Okay, so since 20 is ending in 0, so 10 is a factor of 20. Again all the numbers are factor itself, factor of the number itself. So 20 is a factor of 20. Okay, so now you can take and write factors equal to whatever you have ticked, you can take and write 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. Okay, this is the way you learn how to present the answer. Okay, not just knowing is not enough, you must know how to present the answer also in a proper way. This is the way you have to finish writing. Okay, we had learned factors. Factors is using divide. Now we are going to learn multiples. Multiples is using multiplying. Okay, so multiples means you always remember it is a multiplication table. It is not difficult like a factor. Okay, suppose if they are asking you to write the multiples of 2, so just you go on multiply 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12. So if you go on multiply, multiples will go on. There is no non-stop. It will not stop. It will be going on. Now if you are writing the multiples of 5, so just go on multiply the multiply 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. It will go on like that. Again, if you are writing the multiple of 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, and it will go on. There is non-stop. Okay, multiplication table doesn't stop. Okay, to go on. Okay, so multiple has no ending. Okay, no ending at all. But it starts with the number itself. The multiple start with the number itself, but it has no ending. Okay, so you must remember multiples means multiplication table. There is no difference. Okay, but you must read the question also properly. If they ask first 5 multiples, first 5 multiples means only first 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You cannot write any 5, only first 5. If they ask any 5, then you can write anything. Okay, if they ask now like write the 10th multiple of 2, then 10th multiple of 2 means 10 into 2. 10 twos are 20. That way read the question properly and answer. Okay, in multiples. Again, now from here we will learn the fact, otherwise the properties of multiples. You can look at here. From here itself we can say, first it is starting with the number itself. So all the number is a multiple itself. All the number is a multiple itself. All the numbers are the multiple itself. Again, if you take now 1, multiples of 1 will be, in multiples of 1 is 1, 2 1 is 2, 3 1 is 3, 4 1 is 4, 5 1 is 5. Like that will go on. So all the numbers will come in one table. All other multiplication table, some numbers will be missing, but in one table all the numbers will come. Okay, so every number is a multiple of 1. All the numbers are the multiple of 1. Again, every number is a multiple of itself. Understand the difference? I think you will understand. Every number is a multiple of 1. Every number is a multiple of 1. Again, every number is the multiple of itself. Every number is a multiple of itself. It is starting with the number itself. So every number is a multiple of itself. Again, every number is a multiple of 1. Again, from here if you find the smallest multiple will be the number itself. The smallest multiple will be the number itself. Okay, there is no greatest number. Okay, to go on infinite. It is infinite. It is not stopping. Okay, so the greatest number we cannot find. So all number has infinite multiples. All number has infinite multiples. Again, if we take the multiple of a number, it cannot be smaller than the number. Suppose if we take 10, okay, for 10 the multiple cannot be 5. Okay, so the multiple cannot be smaller than the number. The multiple cannot be smaller than the number. It should be equal, otherwise greater. Okay, so now the multiples of 10 will be 10, again 20. It will increase and go. It will not become smaller than this number. Okay, so it will be equal to the number, otherwise it will be greater than the number. But in factor, when you are doing the factor of 10 will be, what are the factors? 1, 2, again 5 and 10. These are the factors. So factors of multiple will be equal to the number, otherwise smaller than the number. It will not be greater than the number. Factor will not be greater than the number, but multiple will not be the smaller than the number. Understand the difference? Multiple, this is multiple, this is factor. Okay, you must know the difference. Okay, multiple cannot be smaller than the number and factor cannot be greater than the number. This difference you must know. Multiple cannot be smaller than the number, factor cannot be greater than the number. Okay, that means multiple is equal to the number, otherwise greater than the number, and factor will be equal to the number, otherwise smaller than the number. Okay, so this you must know. Okay, these are the fact. Okay, so there is multiples are unlimited, infinite. You cannot count the multiples, it will go on. Okay, so now you know how to find the multiples. 5 multiples. Now suppose if they are asking, given the number now 6, and they are asking you to write the multiples, 5 multiples of 6. So from 6 table, first you write the first 5 you write. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30. Only that's how this 5 we have to write. Next we are going to see the common multiple. Okay, so this is also very easy only. First we will write the multiple of 3. Here we are going to write the common multiple of 3 and 6. So multiple of 3 first you write. So 3 table, 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. At least 10 you write, then you will not, it will be easy for you to find the common multiple. Again 3 6 are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30, and it will go on. Now multiple of 6. Multiple of 6. So 6 table, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60, and it will go on. Okay, after the last you have to put this Tito mark. Okay, that shows that it is countless, it is numerous. No, we cannot count that way. You have to put this Tito mark. Now common multiple. Common means, from the word itself you can understand common. So from these two multiples you have to find which are the common one. Okay, first you circle the common number which are common here. So here 6 is here, here also 6 is here. Again 12 is here, here also 12 is here. 18, 18, again 24, 24, 30 and 30, and it will go on. Okay, so we have written only 10, so we have got this much. So the common we have got 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Okay, so now you have to check whether you have not missed any number or you have written correctly. To check that, you can see here first the number is, common number is 6. The common multiple is 6. So the next number must be multiple of 6. That means the number should come from the 6 table. Okay, that way you remember. Okay, so 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, like that way it is comes in 6. So you see the common multiple, first one if you taken that, if you are getting common multiple is 3, then the next number will be 3 table only. In 3 table what comes next number is 6. So next common multiple must be 6. Again in 3 table after that 9 comes. So the next common multiple must be 9. That way it will continue. Okay, if you remember the first number, then the next number easily you can find out, so you won't miss it. Okay, so this is the way we find the common multiple. Now next, from here itself we find here another one you will learn, that is least common multiple. Least common multiple. So this in short form you will learn in higher classes, you will use a lot this word. So I will explain this one. Here the first letter is in the list L, and in common the first letter is C. In multiple the first letter is M. So you take all the first letter L, C, M. LCM. Okay, you will learn in higher classes, you will use this word often, you will use. Okay, in fraction and all you will use to find the LCM. So LCM means least common multiple. So least means what? Small. So to find the least common multiple, first you will find the common multiple. From here you have to write the LCM. LCM is in this common multiple, which is the smaller, that is the least common multiple. So here the least common multiple, the smaller one is 6. So the LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. So this is the way you have to do. Okay, this common multiple, find common multiple means you will stop here. If they are asking you to find the LCM, then you have to find from here the smallest number and you have to write. Thank you.